Hello viewers, this is HP Pavilion 15. The customer says that the laptop was unable to boot, but I just want to check now. Let me see what is wrong with the laptop actually. I've not seen anything yet. Okay, here there is a problem with the display. I have to quickly shut down. Let me restart. No observation. Okay, it seems the system is not coming up here. Okay, the system is not coming up, but here is a power LED and the hard disk LED. They're just blinking, and also the Wi-Fi light is on. I think this will be issue with RAM. I have to quickly disconnect the battery. What I want to do now, I want to, yes, RAM model. Let me just check if there is any issue with the RAM. Okay, here my RAM. This is 4 gig PC tray, not exactly with the one I just removed from the system. This one might not carry the system. Okay, here is exactly what I'm looking for. This is PC3L 4 gig. This is what the system comes with. So I have to put this one on the system. Let's check if the issue will still come up again. I put my battery back. Here I reboot. Okay. Now it is now loading the Windows file. It's taking time, but I believe it's still loading file. Okay, yeah, it's good. So yes, it seems it's okay now. Here's the logon window. Okay, but the system is passworded, so I don't think I can proceed. But from what I can see here, the issue was from RAM. So I just want to restart one more. Let me. I think it's okay now. Good. I have to restart one more. Let me confirm that the system is okay. Okay. From what I see right here, the system seems to be okay now. So the problem was RAM. So thank you so much for watching, but please do not forget to subscribe for me. Thank you once again. I'm just shutting down. I'm ending the right. Okay, I think the job is done. Just for the Wi-Fi light off.